Welcome to the Graphic 45 Little One Kit Introduction video. I'm Charee Filimoehala here at the Graphic 45 headquarters, and today I'm going to show you what we're creating with our album kit and our card kit this month. These are our Volume 3 for 2023 kits and include a lot of fun projects and items. So to jump into our album kit for 2023, our Volume 3, check out the gorgeous dimension on this Little One Interactive Folio Album. You can see it's got a great, nice and classy cover, and then opening it up, you can see more of those gorgeous papers revealed with some more great spots for photos. Over here on the right is one of my favorite elements, is this zigzag waterfall. Carla's taken our full page pockets, so you can see these are still pockets up here at the top on both of those, and then she's added in this zigzag pocket here, so you can really add in so many gorgeous fun little knickknacks. We've got another great little waterfall going on over here that Carla has also customized. 2 half pocket pages, which I love these as well, and some interactive little tuck spots and pockets. Look at this cute belly band over here. And then here, as you can just see, we've got another little fun interactive belly band that slides up and down, locking and opening this wallet fold album. So inside the folio, we've got another cute little folio with so many great opportunities to personalize. So what do you think? Are you so excited to create this album? What are you going to be using yours for? Maybe as a gift for a new mom, maybe for going back and putting in your own baby photos or a loved one's? We'd love to hear in the comments below. This folio has been created for us by Carla Lavera. And like you just saw, it's full of gorgeous details and Carla never disappoints. So here's what you're going to get in our Volume 3 album kit. You're going to be getting this silver and ivory washi tape set, this exclusive Little One button, Little One ephemera assortment pieces with 48 different die cut pieces, our brand new ivory interactive folio album, a project sheet, and of course the 12 by 12 collection papers. So you're going to get 2 of each of these 8 papers for a total of 16. A Graphic 45 bag to store all your goodies in. Now to pick up the kit, you can go down to your local G45 retailer, or of course you can go to our website, g45papers.com, and pick up the kit or become a subscriber so you get the kit directly sent to you in the mail every month. Now for our Volume 3 card kit, 2 different card techniques with this card kit. The first one is going to be the twisted easel card technique. You can see there's a lot of gorgeous detail here, and we're using up all these elements to really maximize their full potential. So I'm going to teach you how to create these 2 here. And then for the second technique, it's going to be this side tag card. So this just unties and you can see it opens up to reveal a gorgeous card. So we'd love to know which one you're most excited about in the comments below, and I'll teach you how to do these 3, and then I will show you what you're going to need to create the other 3 for a total of 6 cards. These cards have been created for us by Carla Lavera. She's created both projects, and you can see they both have a lot of fun angles and interactive details. To pick up this kit, you can go to our website, g45papers.com, or down to your local G45 retailer. In this kit, you're going to get the ivory trim in 3 different styles, our ivory regular tags, 6 card bases that are a nice 5 by 7 and heavy duty, along with coordinating envelopes, 24 double-sided 8 by 8 sheets, a project sheet, and a bag to store it on. So of course, you can pick up those kits a la carte, or you can become a subscriber where you get either or both of these kits sent directly to you in the mail. And you also get a 10% discount anytime you're shopping on our website, as well as these fun new exclusive buttons. So every month we come out with new buttons that coordinate with the paper theme, and you can only get those with our kits. So this is our third set for the year. And you can also cancel your subscription at any time, so there is no pressure. So we want you to grab your supplies and join us for these tutorials. You'll find the links below in the description. And if you're looking for more great project inspiration like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and then hit that notification bell so you know every time we upload a video. We thank you so much for joining us. As always, happy paper crafting.